Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, you're going to learn how to rig curves and grease pencil in Blender. In this example, this character has a curve mouth that is rigged and follows him. But this character's mouth doesn't follow him because it's not rigged. So, how can you rig curves in Blender? First, add a cube. Adjust its position. Scale. And rotation. And make sure that the cube is wider than the curve. Now select the cube, go to Object Properties, Viewport Display, Display as Bounds. Now, select the curve, go to Modifier Properties, add a Mesh Deform modifier, choose the cube as the object, bind. Now, select the cube, Shift select the armature, Ctrl P, the automatic weights. Now let's play the animation again. Great! It follows the character. Now, here, we have a rigged grease pencil. And one that is not. So, how can you rig grease pencil in Blender? Add a lattice. Then, add a cube. Select the lattice, resolution U, 18, resolution V, 4. Now select the cube. Go to Edit Mode. Press 3 on the keyboard. Select the top and bottom faces. Now you can subdivide. But since we want it to match the lattice, use Ctrl and R keys on the keyboard to loop cut. Now set the number of cuts to 18. You can also use the mouse wheel. Right click. You see, this is 2. And it matches the lattice. Great. When you have the cube selected, go to Objects Properties, Display as, Bounds. Now, select the grease pencil, add a modifier of lattice. Choose the lattice as the object. Now select the lattice, add a modifier of Mesh Deform. Choose the cube as the object. Bind. Now select the cube, Shift select the armature, Ctrl P for aromatic paints. Now go to pose mode when you have the armature selected, and you can see that the grease pencil is rigged. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.